Yeah, her hair's blowing in the wind there. We have the gust front moving through, and along that gust front, we have the possibility to see wind gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour, and that was kind of in line what we were seeing there in Wyandotte County where Lindsay was this morning. Okay, so highs for today, it's still going to be hot and humid along and south of I-70. We're still going to push 90 degrees, especially from downtown Kansas City point south. So if you live on the south sides of the metro, hot and humid before the cold front arrives. If you live north of I-70, maybe a little less hot because we're expecting the cold front to get there a little earlier. Heat advisory posted for the southern tiers of our viewing area. So Harrisonville, Warrensburg, back on the Kansas side, Ottawa, Paola, points south included in that until 7 p.m. tonight. Heat index values 105 to 110 possible with that. And then we're watching for later today between 2 and 10 p.m. of some more storms to move through the area. Not what we have ongoing right now, but additional storms fire later today, mainly in the green areas where we're concerned about damaging winds and heavy rain. Later today, here's what PowerCast looks like. So the cold front's still back up there. We have kind of an initial push of storms this morning. We'll show you radar here in a second. But as the cold front sinks south, it could fire some storms as we head after 2 p.m. this afternoon. And we will see maybe some gusty winds with those. Better chances again on the Missouri side where that green area was. And we could have lingering showers overnight tonight, but the severe weather threat would ramp down, at least for the damaging wind potential after 10 p.m. Here's the view in downtown Kansas City looking off towards the northwest. The gust fronts move through. It's kind of had a low cloud with it as well that we were watching earlier, about 510 on this camera. 82 degrees, feels like 88 though. Here's the current view. This faint green line, that's the gust front where we're experiencing 30 to 35 mile per hour winds. When it rolled through St. Joe at the top of the hour, 36 mile per hour winds were reported there. At KCI, we got a gust to 31, a little bit earlier, just before the top of the 5 p.m. hour. So this gust front is still what would be producing some wind up there, and we'll have that potential as it sinks south through the metro. So here's up north, still some heavy rain from Bethany along the I-35 corridor into northern parts of Daviess County. As we head further south towards St. Joseph, you can see most of the heavy rain moving into parts of DeKalb County towards the Stewartsville area in Clinton County, and then further south you can see we'll have some more development off towards the west near Topeka into parts of Jefferson County over Perry Lake right now. So that's what we're watching. Again, the gust front as it moves through the metro, it's kind of right on I-35 right now. It will have that potential to produce 30 to 35 mile per hour gust as it gets on to the south side of the metro. So heads up Raytown, heads up Lee Summit, heads up Grandview. Some gusty winds might be coming your direction. 87 today, cooler tomorrow.